A muddy mix can be a real challenge for music producers and sound engineers. It can make your music sound unclear, unbalanced, and unprofessional. Here are the top 5 tips to fix a muddy mix. Use high-pass filters. High-pass filters allow frequencies above a certain point to pass through while cutting off frequencies below that point. They can be incredibly useful in clearing up a muddy mix. By applying a high-pass filter to tracks that don't need low frequencies, you can eliminate unnecessary sounds that might be muddying up your mix. Avoid frequency clashes. When two instruments occupy the same frequency range, they can compete with each other and create a muddy sound. To avoid this, try to give each instrument its own space in the frequency spectrum. This technique is often referred to as frequency slotting or frequency carving. Use panning. Panning can help create space in your mix by placing different elements in different parts of the stereo field. This can help prevent frequency clashes and make your mix sound clearer and more balanced. Control your reverb. While reverb can add depth and space to your mix, too much of it can lead to muddiness. Be sure to use reverb sparingly and consider using a high-pass filter on your reverb sends to prevent low-frequency buildup. Check your mix in mono. Finally, checking your mix in mono can help identify any phase issues that might be causing muddiness. If something sounds off when you switch to mono, you might have some phase cancellation happening. Fixing a muddy mix often involves making small adjustments and listening carefully to the results. It might take some time, but with patience and practice, you can create clear, balanced mixes that sound great on any system. Leave a comment with your tips and what you would like to see next. Please tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.